Are you a content creator looking for ways to improve your YouTube channel? I would like to share this tip with you. There are lots of videos here on YouTube you are going to watch and it's going to help you improve your YouTube channel. It's going to tell you more about the way to improve your YouTube channel. Some of them will actually tell you optimize your videos. Some of them will tell you do more giveaways. Some of them will do film video series. Some of them will tell you about customizing your thumbnails, even optimizing your descriptions for you to improve your YouTube channel. All of these tips and tricks actually do work, but one thing they don't tell you about the way to improve your YouTube channel is what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if that sounds interesting to you, then definitely do stick around with me and let's keep on watching. Alright, so if you want to grow or you want to improve your YouTube channel, I'm definitely going to talk about that in today's video. So stay tuned and let's talk about this. One thing people don't tell us about, or these YouTubers or these people don't tell us about, is that our videos suck. Yes, I mean it. My videos suck. Your videos actually suck. Your first 100 videos are not going to be your best video here on YouTube. It might be best for other people and it might be okay for other people to be their best video, but your best video here on YouTube might not be the best video ever. So your video actually sucks. The simple truth is that when you create good content or you create a good video, it's going to blow up or it's going to reach out to people you want to reach out, because high quality videos and good videos are definitely going to blow up on YouTube. Because we all know we're going to actually optimize our video, we're actually going to put titles to the video, we're going to put description to the video, we're even going to add tags to the video. We all know that. But one thing we don't know is that we have ways to improve our video, because when we make high quality videos or we make our improvements in everything in our video, it's going to improve your channel in a way you're not going to imagine. So think of this: you want to create your first 10 videos. Think of ways to improve the first 10 videos. If it's improving the script of that particular video, try your best to improve the script of that video. Next video, you want to improve something else. If it's improving your editing games in that video, try and improve the editing game. If it's to switch up your camera, if it's to switch up your lighting, play around with fonts and text and all of that, you are going to try and play around with that. Improve every single thing in your video. The simple fact is that something in your videos must be improved. Like everything in your videos must be improved. Every single thing you want to put out there must be improved in that particular video. Think of ways to improve your videos. If you're learning new editing skills, if it's to improve your thumbnails, if it's to improve the way you snap your images, if it's to improve the way you set up, if it's to change your backgrounds, like just make people want every little thing in that particular video. And in what they are expecting to watch every single time they come up on your channel or they come up on your video to see, they'll be expecting to see more. I recently tried doing this on my own short. I created a lot of short content. You can check out my short content because I post daily and I post frequently on my shorts, not like my longer videos. So I make the people, the fan of my shorts, wanting to see more videos from my shorts. Like they're expecting to see what next I'm going to put up there, what makeup look I'm going to do, what editing trick I'm going to do, what particular background or outfit I'm going to use. So you just want to keep people expecting what next they are going to see from your next video. It's going to improve your channel and it's going to improve you in a very, very good way. So try your best to improve every single thing in your video. But one question you need to ask yourself is that how can I make my videos better? So in this video right here, I'm going to be talking about how to make your videos better. So if you want to check that video, you can actually click that video right here and check it out. But if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you learn one or two things, share to your friends and let them find a way to improve their own videos like I do try to improve my videos here on YouTube. And let's grow together. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit that ring bell button so you'll be notified every time I'm putting up a brand new video with you guys. I would love to see you guys in one of these videos right here. And if you want to check more of my work, you can check out my Instagram and all my social media platforms at Fair Practical. I would love to see you guys in my next one. Kisses, peace.